Welcome to the Kilgore Classic in Colbert Place in Leland, North Carolina. Let's go on inside and check it out. This beautiful open concept floor plan is 1,588 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath with an upgraded Allusion fireplace and floor to ceiling shiplap. The living room and breakfast nook lead into the beautiful white kitchen with white quartz countertops and sea green backsplash with an upgraded single basin sink and upgraded appliances. So let's check out the outdoor oasis with a covered patio, lots of privacy and greenery. So let's go check out upstairs. You have tall ceilings with a huge window, so lots of natural light coming in the house. Heading on upstairs, you have your 2 guest bedrooms here, both with large walk-in closets and ceiling fans. Then you have your laundry room with a cool tiled flooring, a linen closet, your second full bath with quartz countertops and tiled flooring. Then your spacious owner's suite with a large walk-in closet and a completely upgraded owner's bath with tiled flooring, double sink vanity, quartz countertops, and a beautiful tiled shower with seat.